Auto Start. You can set the auto start time in order to have the appliance ready at a certain time, for example in the morning, so you can make coffee immediately. To enable this function, the time must already be set correctly. To enable auto start, proceed as follows. Press the menu icon to enter the menu. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows until Auto Start is displayed. Press the OK icon. Enable is displayed. Press the OK icon to confirm. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows to choose the hour. Press the OK icon to confirm. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows to change the minutes. Press the OK icon to confirm. Press the ESC icon to exit the menu. Once the time has been confirmed, activation of Auto Start is indicated by the bell symbol displayed alongside the time. To disable the function, select Auto Start from the menu. Press the OK icon. Disable is displayed. Press the OK icon to confirm. The bell symbol is no longer displayed.